Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, how are you? I'm Usman Ghani. I'm your host. Hope you all will be fine. Guys, English has become very important in present day world, and its importance is increasing day by day, especially when we are entering the world of artificial intelligence and ChatGPT. Guys, keeping all these things in view, we also give great importance to English learning at our school. So to increase the interest level of our students, we use different techniques. So today we are going to conduct a speech contest among our students. We have made pairs of them and the students are also very excited about it. Guys, but one thing I want to make clear is that you will decide the winner of this competition through your valuable comments. So guys, let's start it. Wait, guys. Guys, I forgot to mention two things. One, guys, these are small children, and their English may not be so perfect, guys. And the second thing is that, guys, do not miss the fun at the end of this video.
So why were you look happy today?
Yes, I am very happy.
Why?
Today we had a grammar test and I got 19 marks out of 20.
Really great. I always thought grammar is boring.
Oh no, grammar is scoring.
Hassan, you look happy today.
Yes, I am very happy.
Why?
Today we had a grammar test and I got 19 marks out of 20.
Really great. I always thought grammar is boring.
Oh no, grammar is scoring.
Iman, you look happy today.
Yes, I am very happy.
Why?
Today we had a grammar test and 19 marks out of 20.
Really great. I always thought grammar is boring.
Oh no, grammar is scoring.
Now you look happy today.
Yes, I am very happy.
Why?
Today we had a grammar test and I got 19 marks out of 20.
Really great. Really great. I always thought grammar is boring.
Oh no, grammar is boring. Hassan, you look happy today.
Social media.
Happy today.
Yes, I am very happy.
जाओ देखो कौन है बाप